The title of this video is Unboxing Patanjali Biscuit. So in my hand you can see this biscuit, and I'm gonna do the unboxing of this biscuit, and I will show you how it looks from inside and what is inside this biscuit. Okay, the name of this biscuit is Patanjali, and the price of this biscuit is 5 rupees, 5 Indian rupees. And after buying, actually I didn't buy this biscuit now, I bought this biscuit today in the morning, and I thought that it's gonna be a good topic of my video. Actually I wanted to be funny. That's why I thought that I'm gonna make a video on this topic, that I'm gonna unbox this biscuit, and in the future also I'm gonna buy some biscuits, and I'm gonna buy some gadgets and also some books, and I shall do the unboxing of those things. So keep watching. Why am I making a video on this topic? The first reason, I told you the first reason is I wanted to be funny, and the second reason is once I was talking to one of my sisters, I can say one of my students, her name is Zainab, and I told her that many months ago, not today, many months ago, and I was telling her that, do you know Zainab, once I'll be making videos about little things, like while walking, while drinking water, while eating food, while running, while taking exercises. I'll make videos while doing all these things. So in order to show her that yeah, definitely I did it today, I made a video while unboxing and while eating this biscuit. That's why I'm making this video, and I hope that Zainab, you are also watching this video. So I'm in India. In India, this is a type of biscuit, it's available, and I'm gonna do the unboxing. I'm gonna unbox it. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now I have unboxed this biscuit, and I'm gonna show you how it looks from inside. And there are so many other things that I shall show you in my other videos. Okay, I told you 2 reasons behind making this video. The first reason was I wanted to be funny, and the second reason was I was talking to one of my students that hey, once I'll make a video while eating biscuits. She was laughing and she said yeah, you can. So I did. And the third reason because of which I'm making this video is I wanted to develop a flow. I wanted at least one small topic on which I can make a video today on my vlogging channel, for my vlogging channel. And what is this? Eating biscuit is one of my activities, like things that I ate, places where I go, and things that I imagine, like running, and so many things that I do. So all these things are my activities, right? So eating this biscuit is one of my activities, and on this vlogging channel I have to talk about my activities, right? And I have to talk about my activities in English. And by the help of the light of this ring, by the help of the light of this tripod, I am shooting this video. And now I'm gonna shoot. Okay, I told you the third reason because of which I recorded this video. I made a video on this topic. That was to develop a flow. Means I wanted at least one topic. In the same way, every day I shall find some topics on which I can make videos, or I can speak English about my activities for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, right? Now I'm gonna put, wow, the smell is really good. the smell of this biscuit is truly amazing. I'm gonna keep my mic in this hand and my biscuit in this hand. This hand is like this. Now I have made this hand like this. I want to talk about my another channel that is known as English Arman. On that channel I uploaded a video today, and the title of that video is My YouTube Journey Starts Today. And in that video I'm talking about my discipline and about my decisions and about my punctuality, and I'm saying that from today I'll be punctual, disciplined, I'll be regular, I'll be posting regular contents, regular videos on all my channels. Okay, Hindi channels, English channels, vlogging channels, topic channels, educational channels, and on Facebook also, Instagram also, making short videos, making long videos, uploading and creating topics, finding ideas, explaining things, walking, running, meditation, and many other things I will have been doing. So I'm talking about all these things. I can say that especially I'm talking about my YouTube journey in that video. I have given the link of that video in the description of this video. You can check that video, you can watch that video. Okay, the link is in the description, and my other videos also, and my other social media links have also been given in the description of this video. you can go check. You can join me on Facebook, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, and so many other applications. All the links have been given in the description. Okay, if the links are not given in the description, you can check the comment box also. If the links are not available in the comment box, so all those links shall be available in the description of this video. I will try to put all those links. I'm gonna show you how this biscuit looks, and then I will eat at least one biscuit in front of you, in front of this camera. Just have a look at this biscuit. Okay, it looks like this. So this biscuit looks something like this, and now I'm gonna eat one of these biscuits. Okay, I will eat in front of you. So I'm gonna take one biscuit out of all these biscuits. Okay, so this is one biscuit out of all these biscuits. Now I'm gonna show you. You can see here, and now I'm going to eat this biscuit. You can see I have completed the unboxing of this biscuit. Now is the time for me to eat this biscuit. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm not telling you to buy, but if you want, you can buy. And there are other biscuits also. You can go and buy your favorite biscuit, and you can also just eat, or you can just record a video while eating a biscuit, and you can keep the title of that video like this: unboxing Patanjali Biscuit today, unboxing this biscuit, unboxing that biscuit. Whatever you eat, I mean, when you go outside and you buy something and you eat that, you can make a short video and you can speak about that. So I have done it. I have completed the unboxing of this biscuit, and I have talked about my YouTube journey also, and I have been practicing English. See, I made so many sentences about this biscuit and about my other activities and about my YouTube journey also, about my other YouTube channels, especially with the purpose to practice English. See, when I made my first channel on YouTube, at that time also I was not taking it seriously. From today I shall be highly active. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.